Hi everyone, my name is Victoria. Today I would like to show you this wireless microphone. I was sent it for review. I already opened the box, so let me show you how it's look like. It comes with instruction and this cute box, so you can take it with you everywhere. So this is a rechargeable box. Inside we have two microphones for you and for your friend, or if one is with low battery, you can use the second one. It's magnetic, so easy to charge it, and you can clip it on your clothes like that. So very small, looks so stylish, great. And if you're outside, I will definitely recommend you to use this accessory, so it will help you to get more clear voice with noise cancellation. All right, guys, right here in the box it has an extender for your phone. This will good for iPhones 14 and older models. You can just place it on your phone and your microphone will work perfectly. Let me place it. So it comes with charging cable type C, extra accessories. So guys, really cool product. If you're looking for microphones, wireless, I will definitely recommend to buy this one. Great quality, clear voice with noise cancellation. I love this box, so you can find it on Amazon.